In this video, we're gonna dive into the story of Liam, who invests in his time wisely. The best investment. Liam was always in a hurry. He rushed to work, rushed home, and even rushed through his meals. He believed that time was money, so he never wasted a second. However, despite all his efforts, he never seemed to have enough time for the things that truly mattered. One evening, while waiting for a taxi, he saw an old man sitting on a bench, feeding the birds. The man looked peaceful, as if he had all the time in the world. Liam checked his watch and sighed. He had 10 minutes before his next meeting. Out of curiosity, he sat next to the man and asked, "How do you have so much time to just sit here?" The old man smiled and said, "Because I invest my time wisely." Liam frowned. "What do you mean?" The man pointed at the birds and said, "I spend time on things that bring me joy, like feeding these birds. I spend time with my family, my friends, and myself. You see, time is like money. If you invest it wisely, it brings great returns." Liam thought about this as he walked away. That night, instead of working late, he called his mother and had a long conversation. The next morning, instead of rushing, he took a slow walk to work and noticed things he had never seen before. A little coffee shop, a friendly dog wagging its tail, and the warm morning sun. Day by day, he had started investing his time differently. He still worked hard, but he also made time for people he loved, hobbies he enjoyed, and moments of peace. And strangely, the more time he spent on these things, the richer he felt, not in money, but in happiness. Liam finally understood the best investment is not in money, but in time well spent. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.